Welcome. In this video, we are going to look at problem 14. It is from section 2.1 of College Algebra 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we need to solve the equation for y in terms of x. So let's write down our equation. X minus 2y is equal to 7. So the first thing we need to do is to get the y by itself on one side. So let's subtract x from both sides. We get minus 2y is equal to minus x plus 7. We'll write the equation down again. Okay, now we need to divide each term by what is multiplying the y. So we will divide each term by minus 2. Okay, that gives us y equals. Okay, we've got minus x over minus 2. We can write this as x over 2 or 1/2 x. Then we have plus 7 divided by minus 2. Let's just write this as minus 7 over 2. And there we have it. We have solved the equation and we've solved it for y and made it say y equals. And so we end up with y equals 1/2 x minus 7 over 2. I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.